Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. It's so good to have you here. This is the code. Yes, if you are seeing me for the first time, this is the Code Online Academy. Right, so we're going to be sewing this bag today with just your tape rule, your scissors, your pen, your sewing machine, your zipper and your bias, also known as your belt. And the measurement for this bag is 13 by 8.5. So this is the base. The measurement for the base is 3 by 4. So you see what I did there? I had to mark out the base 3 and make sure my two sides were equal. So I'm going to be sewing the base now. I'm going to sew it down just like this. Then I've checked it now that okay, the base is okay. What's next is to sew the zipper down to the leather. Remember, you can use any material of your choice. This is a bag that you can sew from the comfort of your home and sell. Yeah, you can sell this bag from the comfort of your home. So I'm going to be sewing the zipper to the second side, just as I did now. So now it's time to focus on the base. So you might be wondering, why did I cut out the base? I cut it out because I used 3 by 4.5 before, but it was not giving the look that I want. So now we're going to be sewing the sides of the bag. And you might be wondering, why are we sewing it outside? It is because this bag, the design of this bag is to sew it outside and use that bias to round the bag. Yeah, so we're going to do the same thing we did for the first side to the second side. Round, just sew it around. There you go. It's already coming out well. So that was the old bag and this is the new one we are using to learn. So now we're going to use the bias, the belt, also known as bias, to belt it round, or rather curve it round, just to make your work neat. And remember, as a designer, you need to have your lighter always with you, so your work can be excellent to burn out the threads. Right, so we're going to be doing the same thing for the other side. Make sure your sewing is neat. So now we're going to be rounding the zipper. In this zipper, it is where you get the handle. So I use 13 for my belt. So you're going to sew it down. Hope you can see what I'm doing. You're going to sew it down to the zipper. Make sure your sewing is neat. So you're going to sew it down. Here you can see what I'm doing here. I'm giving space, right? I'm giving allowance for the handle. That's the design of the bag. Yes, I made mine 5. You can make yours any size, or rather any length you want. When we are through, you will see how it looks. So this is it. It's already coming out excellently well. Wow. So now we're going to cover the zipper, right? So you burn a little bias, just measure it where your zipper ends, burn it with lighter so it can be neat, then sew it down. After that, you burn out all the threads so your work can be neat. So this is the bag. Yes, it's for both male and female, and you can style it anyhow you want with any design of your choice. Thank you for watching this video. Please, if you found it useful, like, share, subscribe.